Hey there. So you want to create a viral video? Well, you're in luck because we've unlocked the secret to viral videos. The first thing you need to do is grab your audience's attention. You only have a few seconds to make it count. Use humor, surprise, or emotion to hook them in. Next, your content needs to be relatable. Think about what your audience cares about, what they will share with their friends. Another important aspect of a viral video is authenticity. People can tell when you're not being genuine, so be yourself and don't be afraid to show your personality. Remember, it's all about the story. A good story is what keeps people engaged and wanting to share your video. Make sure your message is clear and concise. Lastly, make it easy for people to share your video. Include social media buttons and make sure it's mobile friendly. So you have it, the secret to viral videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.
Bell no bone, like who the actual demons. Free squeeze and bleed ass bliss. He's from back in the mix. Oh shit, who that in that split? Like that shit got a kick. Oh shit, who that in that whip? That shit got a flip. What back door in this split? That shit don't exist. Bro in the back in the whip and he ready to click. Soon be on them billboards. Fake love I don't feel for. When you fall, gotta stand tall. Why you pray on my downfall? Like I'm not going straight to the top. Them niggas get off my eye. Like God, dumb nigga shot. Go meet the rest of the ops. PDL on that block. Better turn on the knock. First out that we spot, tell Brody reverse, cause I'm trying to score that. Look, face matches, they're all black. Watch him. Why you playing tough? Nigga off that. Have his body stretching on the floor flat. That's his last. Ain't no comeback. Give up back shots. Make her come fast. Demons hop out. Better run fast. Tryna pin a nigga like a tongue tack. Ain't no hesitation, Brody dumped that. Shooter dedicated, so he spun back. Too deep. It's 100 of y'all. No pole. That's a round of applause. Hit 3, cause we can't get them more. I'm just praying that a nigga fall. Singing like August. Woke up, give him more. Oh, he a op, beam on the chop, he getting flopped. Why you tryna trick me on my spot? She was fucking with us, so she fuck with the ops. It's given, she on her feelings, stay out the way. When we bending, you a op now, you know different. Born like Ivy, I'm a piston. She bad, called dashing. We the Packers, who acting? Get cause madness, stop acting. No name, we spoke 'em, niggas be dying. Don't provoke us, not your name. And the slogan, so many hearts, it's broken. I know how I feel to be stuck in a moment. Don't Why you think you my op? Stupid got shot, he was crushing on pole. How you talking on bro? Both of them dead niggas died on the road. Stephanie link up, I know. Don't think it's stopping the show. That's more op niggas, that gotta go. Homo be trolling, but don't really he on that. Hope be chucking, he dope as the bull back. That should be game me fat. I'm trying to knock off a dread. See a silly bunny on them pets. I'm telling Brody to speed up. Got a 30 hanging out the diva. Rapping protection, I know that you see her. Cosmo water, I dream out of league like sleep. Brody reversing this V, you see? I told you shorty at east. Bunny hop, are you dumb? I get jiggy. Really be a case for that demon shit in me. Come to the X and I'm linking my files. Don't need permission, let's spin on them. Almost end up in a bow tie. 2 odds that died on the drill. That is so sad. Look from niggas, put it in my notepad. To see how got beat out his ball kicks. I can crash out, can't afford it. When it's my time, then I'm on it. Stay drilling, you smoking on CJ.
I have absolutely everything I could ever possibly desire. And if I wanted something that I couldn't have, I guarantee you could speak again in a few months and
Go fuck on his daughter. Free baby 30, they got him on pause. Free squad, they need their rewards. Gang, free squad, they need their rewards. Free baby 30, they got him on pause.
Babu, I like purple, so I blew her back out when I left her on red. Get it? Cause blue and red equals purple. So I blew her back out when I left her on red. Don't let that go over your head.
Heard they talking shit about who will win and why. I'm alive, just took one to revive. Keep that vibe when we show up in colors. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Number 15 Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple Whopper, Flame grilled taste with perfect toppers. I roll, I roll, I roll this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup. It's okay if I don't want that impossible. Bacon Whopper.
You sneak dissing, you gon' get some teeth missing. You weak bitches, we raw scripting, kill snitches. Your bitch digging, she digging out this damn dripping. I'm ship sinking, I pink slip the ink different.
Time is money, so I spend it on the watch. Hold on, low T showing through the white tee. You could see the thong bustin' on my tight jeans. Rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me, yeah. Gotta catch another flight. The apple bottom make her wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, if you don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You could have anybody, any money, mo. Cause when you a boss, you could do what you want.
Damn, y'all broke up?
Nah, she broke. I'm up.
Up in this bitch for like 006.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I am a menace. Keep me a ratchet like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit on my business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image.
That nigga talking toughness, I can hear it in his tone. I slapped him with the chrome, then put a bullet in his dome. My all-white Air Force One's gotta be fresher, I can't rock him. If he step on these, I might just fuck around and sock him.
Gotta tell me what to do, I know. He like it when I bend it over and I arch my back. He tap me on my shoulders, yeah, I like it.